Activate. Menus in Microsoft Excel. We open first. App name, Microsoft Excel. Then click Blank Workbook. To activate the Home menu, click the Home menu on the Menu tab. This is the entire. Or press Alt+H. Simultaneously. For the Home menu, will be on. To activate the Insert menu, click the Insert menu on the Menu tab. This is the content. Or press Alt+N. Then it will perform. Insert menu like this. To activate the Page Layout menu, click Menu Page Layout on the Menu tab. Or press Alt+P. This is the content. To activate the Formula menu, click Menu Formulas. On the Menu tab, or press Alt+M. This is the Formula menu. To activate the Data menu, click the Data menu on Tab menu. Or press Alt+A. This is the Data menu. To activate Review menu, click the Review menu. On the Menu tab, or press Alt+R. This is Review menu. To activate the View menu, click View. Or press Alt+W. This is the View menu. To activate the Developer menu, click the Developer menu. Developer menu here has not appeared. We can display them. In a way, click the file and then select Options. Then select Custom ribbon. Next tick Developer. This then OK. The Developer menu looks like this. After performing, can press Alt+L to display the Developer menu. To show and hide menus and icons in. Right-click in the section. You can do it here, which must be in an empty place. Like this, right-click. Then select Show Quick Access Toolbar. Popping up like this. Next click the arrow in this one. If we click like this, for example, for Open, then the icon Open will appear, like this. If we click once more, then she would be hidden. For example, the New menu. This we hide. We click then he will. Hidden. To set up Windows Excel display. That is displaying and hiding the formula. There is a formula, which is for. Type the formula of Excel. We can hide it. and we can display them. How? Click the file. Then select Option. Select Advanced. In the Display section, this display. If ticked, show formula bar. Formula bar to be displayed. If we just lose the tick, like this, we are okay then. Formula bar hidden. To put it back on display, click the file and select Option. Select Advanced. And then, in the Display section, tick, Show Formula Bar. Click OK.